If you write code or want to build software faster, you have probably heard about Cursor. In this video, I want to show you why it has become one of the most popular AI code editors, and why so many developers are switching to it from traditional tools. At first glance, Cursor looks very familiar because it is built around the same experience developers already know. You can import your themes, extensions, and keyboard shortcuts in just a few clicks, so there is almost no learning curve. But the biggest difference is that AI is integrated into every part of the editor instead of feeling like an extra plugin. One of the features I use the most is natural language editing. Instead of manually changing dozens of lines of code, I simply describe what I want in plain English. Cursor understands, the request finds the right files and updates the code for me. It can modify a single function, an entire class, or even multiple files at once, which saves a huge amount of time, especially on larger projects. Another feature that stands out is agent mode. This goes beyond simple code generation. You can ask Cursor to build a feature fix, bugs refactor your project, or implement a completely new idea. The AI analyzes the code base, creates the necessary changes, and can even generate terminal commands when they are needed while still asking for your approval before running them. This keeps you in control while automating the repetitive work. Cursor also understands the context of your project. Instead of pasting files into the chat, you can reference code with simple commands, include documentation, or even search the web without leaving the editor. Because the AI understands relationships between files, the answers are much more accurate than using a general chatbot. This becomes especially useful when working with large applications containing hundreds of files. The autocomplete is another reason many developers like Cursor. It predicts your next edits. Instead of just suggesting the next line of code, sometimes it completes entire blocks automatically, or updates multiple related sections at the same time, making coding feel much smoother than traditional autocomplete. Of course, no AI tool is perfect. You should always review generated code, especially in production projects. AI can occasionally misunderstand requirements or introduce bugs, and security researchers continue to study new risks related to AI coding assistance. That is why Cursor is best used as a productivity tool rather than a replacement for an experienced developer. Overall, Cursor is one of the most impressive AI development tools available today. It combines a familiar coding environment with powerful AI features that help you write, edit, debug, and understand code much faster. Whether you are a beginner building your first application or an experienced engineer working on a large code base, Cursor can significantly speed up your workflow while letting you stay in control of every important decision.